Welcome to our tutorial on how to uninstall non-system apps from the settings in Windows 10. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of removing unwanted apps from your Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. Hello there, Windows 10 users. Are you tired of cluttered apps taking up space on your computer? Well, you're in luck. Follow these simple steps to uninstall non-system apps from the settings in Windows 10. Step 1. To begin, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, go to Settings. You can find the gear icon right above the power button. Step 3. Within the Settings window, click on Apps. Step 4. In the Apps settings, click on Apps and Features. Step 5. Under the Apps and Features section, you will see a list of installed apps. Scroll down and select the app you want to remove. Step 6. Once you have selected the app, click on the Uninstall button. Step 7. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Click the Uninstall button again to confirm the removal. And there you have it. You have successfully uninstalled the non-system app from your Windows 10 computer. Congratulations on successfully removing unwanted non-system apps from your Windows 10 computer using the Settings menu. This will free up valuable space and help keep your system organized. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free Windows 10 experience.